may or may not be head studs in this motor now, and E85 in the gas tank, and maybe or maybe not an aftermarket assassin stage 6 tune. Who knows? But regardless, the stock muffler with a catalytic converter in it, it's got boom. So that being said, this is the RPM SxS muffler. This is a OEM replacement muffler. It's just no cat, pretty well straight through. It's like a sport sounding muffler, so nothing too crazy. It's not loud and obnoxious. That's not what we're going for. It will retain the stock spark arrestor if you want, and it's pretty much the bolt-up design. So that's it. Our logo stamped in it. It's pretty easy. You're gonna need the Torx for the back. That is your T40 for your rear balance. The RPM spring hook tool. All of our exhausts come with new hardware and a gasket. We're not going to replace the hardware on this. This machine literally has 2 miles. So what will happen is machines that have, like, they've been in the mud or water, they've been used, the muffler bolts will seize. So we provide hardware with you just in case, because unlike some companies, they just want to get you the muffler and be done with it. And then you break a bolt off in the mid pipe and you're kind of stuck in the water. So we provide everything. So you're going to get new stainless hardware, a new gasket. They're not custom gaskets. They're not the paper gasket from Players. We build these gaskets ourselves. So you need a replacement one. We sell them separate. But they come with every XP Turbo muffler. This one's the XP Pro muffler specifically. And we're going to have a 13 millimeter socket on an extension to remove the muffler. So let's jump right into it and get going. First spring hook here on the bottom of the muffler. We're just going to snag it, pull it, and leave it there. Next one's right here. Just going to snag it. Whoop. And leave it there. At this point, I'm just going to lift and pull the muffler back. Just like that. Big old heavy guys out here. So, the RPM gasket on there. She's good to go. We're going to hang this up here and then slide it all together. I just hand tighten these first. Just kind of get them there so the muffler can't fall off. I like to hit the springs first. That way the muffler can kind of like sit in place, and then we'll tighten the gasket down like that. So next, we'll come back down here. Grab this spring. Back over here, we're going to put these 13 mils on. It's a really good idea to use a deep well unless you have a semi-deep socket. Alright guys, at this point, you've successfully installed your RPM Sport Muffler. It's literally that easy and that quick. Anyone can do it. We're going to start putting this rear fascia on. I always tell guys to be careful with these rear fascias. These brackets in the back are super flimsy, so you might have to push on your bracket to line it up and then put your rear fascia in. So. That's the RPM Sport Muffler. These are $389. They're only $389.95. Shipped anywhere in the continental United States. RPM SxS.com. It's RPMsidebyside.com. Go get yourself one.